Ever thought about creating your own music without lifting an instrument? Today we are going to show you 5 of the best AI song generator tools that do exactly that. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Song Generator, your free all-in-one AI song generator. It's super easy to use. Just click Create Your Song Now and enter your song description. From there, you can choose between instrumental or lyrical mode. Hit Generate Music and, like magic, you will have a fully crafted instrumental song ready to preview. Want to add lyrics? Turn off instrument mode, hit Generate Music again, and Song Generator will give you a track with lyrics.
Waves rolling so slow, feel the breeze soft blow.
Feeling creative? Switch to custom mode, enter your own lyrics, pick the music style, and even give your track a title. One more click, and voila, you have got your custom song ready to download.
In the heart of the forest, where the whispers sway, soft streams hum the tune of a peaceful day.
Next is Udio, perfect for those who crave creative freedom. Simply enter a text prompt, switch on manual mode, select your preferred lyric style, and hit Create. Udio will generate a song based on your input.
Step into the sunrise bright and new, chasing dreams.
Want to remix it? Tweak the settings and hit Generate again. You will get a fresh version every time.
I'll cast aside the shadows and embrace the new dawn's light.
Download the one that resonates with you. Moving on to Musick.ai, a free AI music generator that's all about simplicity and speed. Just enter your song description and hit Generate. In just moments, Musick.ai will produce song options based on your description. Each one is a unique creation that reflects your input. Preview each track and choose the one that best fits your vision.
Back when we had the world in our small twisted hands, running from the sunset, tracing lines in the sand.
Want more control? Switch to custom mode, add your own lyrics, choose a style, and name your song. Generate the song and preview it.
I've walked these dusty roads alone, chasing dreams and fading lights. Every town I pass through is a whisper in the night.
Once you are happy with the result, download it. Next, we have MakeBestMusic, designed to make the music creation process seamless. Enter your song description and click Create. Your song will be ready to preview in seconds. Want more customization? Switch to normal mode, where you can enter lyrics, select a style, and set a title. With a quick click, your song is ready. Preview the song and download it.
I walk down the streets lost and alone, searching for a place to call my own. With every step I take, the rhythm starts to flow. A story of love, yeah, it begins to grow.
Finally, we have Sonauto, an AI song generator that takes things up a notch. Begin by entering your project name, then describe your song in a few words. Choose a prompt that sets the tone for your masterpiece, and add any extra details to make it truly unique. With everything set, click Generate and Sonado will deliver both lyrics and audio for your song. You will get multiple versions to preview, so you can pick the one that fits your vibe perfectly.
Time flows like an endless ocean. Dreams are the stars that always shine.
Time flows like an endless ocean. Dreams are the stars that always shine.
Once you have made your choice, hit download, and you're all set. And there you have it. 5 amazing AI song generators, each offering unique ways to create music. Whether you are after quick tunes or fully customized tracks, these tools have got you covered. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.